Hello everyone, welcome to Rob's Repairs. Today I got a good one for you, you guessed it. Going for another ride. Gonna see if I can beat my time last ride, which was a 103.85 according to my lap timer. So I did a video last week and the audio was a little messed up towards the end when I was talking, but I'm gonna post it anyway, so bear with that video. But yeah, this video, I'm gonna talk out of the wind. The wind really does a number on this thing. So yeah, we're gonna go and we're gonna do some safe, fun, fast laps. Gonna try to beat my time, 103.85, and we'll see how it goes. And yeah, I'm all geared up and ready to rock and roll. Let's spin some laps. Okay, just got done riding. First lap was slow because, well, I guess I got no excuses. That was a lap we didn't do a corner in, and I kind of milked it a little bit. Hopefully I'll do better. 107 second lap. 107 third lap. 106 fourth lap. Oh man, 105. 107. 105. That's it. We didn't do it. We didn't get it. Maybe next time. I messed up quite a few times trying, and obviously you can see the video and watch. Messed up quite a few times. So yeah, you try and get fast laps, and next thing you know, you're messing up. So we'll get back out there and do the best I can. But yeah, I was even jumping that first jump here. Didn't do it every time, but yeah, it didn't really help. So I got to improve. We're probably around the corners, and man, I was flying down the straightaways. Just tried to clean it up a little bit, and I think I can beat my my 103.85 or whatever that was. But anyway, hope you guys like the content. I appreciate you subscribing too. I got a couple new subscribers last week, and that's really cool, so I appreciate it. Yeah, please like, subscribe, share, and I'll